in the first 10 to 15 minutes we started badly. If you could start in a high note, this is not a game to lose. Otherwise, after realizing that, it was hard. More of my team, I think it's very hard to some situation where you have a team more of young players still understanding the league. I think we are patient about them. At the end of the day, they played well. We want to see how they play because they are young players. We want to tell them the right thing, how to play football.
Timu eno mpya abasinga basanga mu big league eno super division then okugatta timu eno kulanga esobola okudifendinga nga tebagiteera osobola bigatta byonna omulundi gumu sukira pre-season yaffe twagikola mwezi gumu pre-season ebeeranga ya myezi ebiri naye kyetula at least tusobola okufuna chances okulaba nga tusobola opportunity esobola okuteera goals kyemanyi tujja kubitereeza okulaba nga tuteera.
Their confidence and understand to make them understand how they're supposed to play. It's very important. We are confident this team is going to bounce back.